Welcome back, this is Olivia, and guys, you are watching my biography channel BioStars. Today, I'm going to describe the biography of Deepika Padukone. Who is Deepika Padukone? Deepika Padukone is an Indian film actress, model, and producer. She got her breakthrough with her debut film Om Shanti Om, which earned her first Filmfare Awards in the Best Female Debut category. She has since transformed into a prominent face in the entertainment industry. Deepika has appeared in critically acclaimed and successful movies like Cocktail, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Chennai Express, Bajirao Mastani, Padmavat, XXX, Return of Alexander Cage, Gali Unki, Ras Leela, Ram Leela, and Piku. Deepika has received numerous accolades including 3 Filmfare Awards and 6 Zee Cine Awards. Besides all this, she has also featured in the Times of India's Most Desirable Women, Maxim's Hot 100, FHM's World's Sexiest Woman, and People's Most Beautiful Woman. Let's know about her biography. Deepika was born on the 5th of January 1986 in Copenhagen, Denmark. She is currently 35 years old. Birth name Deepika Padukone. Nickname Deepy Tips. Profession actress model. Date of birth January 5, 1986. Age 35 years old. Place of birth Copenhagen, Denmark. Nationality Indian. Sun sign Capricorn. Ethnicity Konkani. Let's know about her early life, family, and education. Deepika Padukone is the oldest daughter of Prakash Padukone and Ujjwala Padukone. Her father is a former badminton player and her mother is a travel agent. She has a younger sister named Anisha, who is a golfer. Born in Copenhagen, Denmark, Deepika ended up moving to her parents' home Karanti when she was 11 months old. There she attended Sophia High School in Bangalore and Mount Carmel College in Bangalore. She then enrolled at the Indira Gandhi National Open University to study sociology, but she dropped out to pursue her acting career. She later studied acting at Anupam Kher's Film Academy. Padukone wanted to become a badminton player like her father, but her attractive personality with her matching talents pulled her towards modeling. She has been struggling a lot like other models while she was amused by offers and has done numerous commercials during her career. Let's know about her personal life. Deepika married her Galion Ki Ras Leela Ramleela co-star and actor Ranveer Singh in November 2018 in a traditional Konkani Hindu and Sikh Anand Karaj ceremonies at Lake Como, Italy. Let's know about her ex-significant others. Muzammil Ibrahim. Deepika had a brief relationship with Muzammil Ibrahim in 2004. Nihar Pandya. She dated Nihar Pandya during her modeling days. She ended her relationship with him to focus on her acting career. Ranbir Kapoor. They both acted together in the 2008 film Bachna Hai Hasina and were romantically linked with each other. Yuvraj Singh. Deepika and Indian cricketer Yuvraj Singh began dating in 2008 and their relationship ended when Yuvraj started taking control of her. Siddharth Malya. Deepika Padukone was in a relationship with businessman Siddharth Malya for 2 years from 2010. The couple broke out, citing irreconcilable differences in class and status. Let's know about her physical statistics. Height 5 feet 8.5 inches. Weight 54 kg or 119 pounds. Body build slim. Body measurements 34, 24, 35. Body shape hourglass. Eye color black. Hair color black. Sexuality straight. Shoe size 9 EVs 39.5 EU. Dress size 2 EVs 34 EU. Let's know about her professional statistics. Debut film. She first appeared in the 2006 Kannada film Aishwarya. She debuted in Hindi in the 2007 film Om Shanti Om, playing the role of Sandhya. Padukone made her debut in Hollywood with the film Return of Alexander Cage, starring opposite Vin Diesel. Fashion show debut. Deepika debuted on the runway at Lakme Fashion Week in 2005 when she worked for designer Sunit Verma. Brand endorsements. She has endorsed brands like L'Oreal, Devil Powder, Close-Up Toothpaste, Limca Jewels of India, Parachutes, Advanced Messenger, Levi Strauss India Private Limited, Maybelline, etc. Let's know about her net worth. With a net worth of $40 million, Deepika Padukone is one of the highest paid actresses in Bollywood. She is listed in Bollywood's list of actresses, making her the most sought-after actress in the international realm of cinema. Padukone has quite a large collection of exotic cars like Audi Q7, Audi A8, Mini Cooper, BMW 5 Series and Mercedes-Benz G63. She lives in a lavish 2,776 square feet apartment featuring 4 bedrooms with 3 parking slots in Beaumonde Towers, Prabha Devi. Let's know about her favorites. Actor Amir Khan, Johnny Depp, Brad Pitt, Amitabh Bachchan. Actress Hema Malini, Madhuri Dixit, Sridevi. Designers Tarun Tahilani, Manish Malhotra, Rohit Bal. Food South Indian food, particularly dosa, upma. Book Little Women. Movies Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge 1995, The Color of Paradise 1999, Cinderella Man 2005, Mary Poppins 1964. Holiday Destination France. Perfume Hugo Boss. Color White and Mauve. Let's know about her facts. As a child, Deepika was shy of making friends and not a social person. She was a national level badminton player. Well, that's a known fact. But she was also a state level basketball player. At 17, she entered the glamour world, putting an end to her ambition of becoming a badminton player. She did become popular only after L'Oreal's ad, and from there is no turning back. Deepika in 2009 started writing weekly columns for HTCD, the lifestyle section of Hinduism Times. These columns appear online on the social network Destiny Martini. She mastered the Japanese martial arts form Jujutsu for the movie Chansi Chok to China, where she performed all the stunts without a body double. She learned sword fight, horse riding, and martial arts calligraphy to depict the character of warrior princess Mastani in the film Bajirao Mastani. Deepika had adopted a village in Maharashtra and began as a part of the NDTV's Grainathon campaigns to provide electricity. She has founded an organization in India, the Life Love Foundation, to bring awareness to mental health. Padukone has frequently listed in the Times of India's listing of the most desirable women, topping the list in 2012 and 2013. The Indian editions of FHM's World Sexiest Women listed in 2010 and 2014, and the UK magazine's Eastern Eye Sexiest Asian Women list in 2016 to 2018. Deepika Padukone is one of the most followed women in Asia on Twitter with more than 28 million followers. In 2018, Time named her one of the 100 most influential people in the world. So guys, many thanks for staying with us. No more now. See you later with biography of another stars. Take care. Bye.